Friends, let me now move to the second pillar of geo-digital life, digital platforms and solutions. Today, Jio is already a software company. Jio has over 6,000 software engineers, and we are continuing to attract technology talent from across India and the world. Jio is also investing in a growing ecosystem of technology startups. As on date, we have invested in 14 startups that embody the Jio DNA and developed unique capabilities in their respective fields with a total of 1,500 talented engineers. This is yet another way we are building talent. And on the back of this talent, we are now investing in scaling up advanced technologies in our own country, even ahead of the rest of the world. Let me describe our plans for a few of these. First, blockchain technology all over India. Using blockchain, we can deliver unprecedented security, trust, automation, and efficiency to almost any type of transaction. This is a vital capability for India, especially for modernizing our supply chains for agriculture produce and other goods, which form the lifeblood of our economy. And using blockchain, we also have the opportunity to invent a brand new model for data privacy, where Indian data, especially customer data, is owned and controlled by the Indian people and not by corporates, especially global corporations. Data is wealth, and Indian wealth must remain in India. Over the next 12 months, Jio will install across India one of the largest blockchain networks in the world, with tens of thousands of nodes operational on day one. Second, edge computing and virtual and mixed reality content. As you saw in the demo, the next frontier of content is immersive. This creates exciting new possibilities for entertainment, shopping, gaming, and most importantly, for education. Delivering immersive content to hundreds of millions of users requires a well-integrated solution spanning connectivity, data storage, and real-time computing. And we need to deploy such solutions at the edge of the network, or in other words, closer to where our users are. Today, Jio is setting up a pan-India edge computing and content distribution network, again, starting with tens of thousands of nodes. This means that your favorite content and applications will be nearer to you, so even faster downloads and faster response times. And India and its 1,600 cities will be amongst the first in the world for Indian residences to experience mixed reality and augmented reality and virtual reality on JioFiber. And finally, cloud infrastructure across India. To leapfrog the world, it is a national imperative to develop a nationwide cloud computing infrastructure that is both cutting edge and affordable. There are just a handful of companies in the world who can be considered at the cutting edge of cloud technologies. I want to talk to you about one such company, Microsoft. Today, Microsoft's cloud platform, Azure, is one of the world's leading cloud platforms. And today, I'm privileged to announce that Jio and Microsoft have entered into a globally unique long-term alliance to accelerate the digital transformation of our country. As a part of this alliance, while Jio sets up a network of large world-class data centers across India, Microsoft will bring its Azure cloud platform into Jio's data centers. When we put these two pieces together, we now have the capability to develop truly India-native solutions, including speech recognition and natural language understanding for all major Indian languages and dialects. All Indian businesses now have the capacity to accelerate their digital transformation and become globally competitive. On this very important occasion, I want to welcome in our midst a very special guest to talk about our partnership, my dear friend and the CEO of Microsoft, India's own Satya Nadella.
Thank you very much, Mukesh. It's such an incredible time to embark upon this partnership together. Today, digital technology is transforming every place, every industry, everything. This rapid change is being driven by massive technology shifts across the intelligent cloud and the intelligent edge. Computing is becoming ubiquitous and distributed. AI is being infused in every experience. And the interaction model itself with computers is increasingly human-first rather than device-first. These advances are shaping the next phase of innovation, creating new opportunities for people and organizations everywhere, especially in India. At Microsoft, our mission is to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. Core to this mission is deep partnerships like the one we are announcing today with Jio. Our ambition is to help millions of organizations across India thrive and grow in this era of rapid technological change. Our long-term partnership combines the power of Azure, Azure AI, and Office 365 with Jio's connectivity and digital solutions, which are amongst the most used and fast-growing in the world. Together, we'll offer a comprehensive technology solution from compute to storage to connectivity and productivity for small and medium-sized businesses everywhere in the country. Jio and Microsoft will partner to launch new cloud data centers in India, ensuring more of Jio's customers can access the tools and platforms they need to build their own digital capability. Jio and Microsoft will jointly offer Office 365 so more organizations can empower their employees with a modern workplace. And Jio and Microsoft will bring Azure Cognitive Services to more devices, creating new breakthrough intelligent experiences with the support of major Indian languages. At Microsoft, we don't celebrate technology for technology's sake. We celebrate what others can do with technology. And our ambition is to make all these solutions broadly accessible and affordable so that they can reach as many people and organizations in India as possible. I'm excited to see how customers will be able to achieve more because of this partnership, and I'm excited about our collective opportunity ahead. Thank you all so very much.
Thank you, Satya. With Microsoft and Jio, Indian businesses can count on a partnership that will work shoulder to shoulder with them in their journey towards becoming digital enterprises of the future. Anant Maheshwari, President of Microsoft India, is here with us today. So Anant, let us make this happen for India. Friends, to further our connectivity vision of empowering digital enterprises of the future, today I want to make two special announcements for startups and small and medium businesses. First, Jio is a startup built in India, for India, by Indians. And we have a very special place in our hearts for startups. You may know that 80% of the cost of running a startup goes towards cloud and connectivity infrastructure. I want to announce today that Jio is ready to take away this cost by making the connectivity and cloud infrastructure absolutely free for budding startups. I urge all startups to register for their custom designed package on Jio.com, and this service will be available from 1st January 2020 is our intention. Jio will also invest and financially support those startups that have the potential to address India's big needs in agriculture, healthcare, education, and skill development, which will boost the creation of new livelihoods. Second, micro, small, and medium businesses are the bedrock of Indian economy. To run their businesses on a bundle of connectivity, productivity, and automation tools costs a micro and a small enterprise between rupees 15 and 20,000 rupees a month currently. For a similar service, customers abroad pay over $1,000 per month. Today, we are taking the bold step of giving these applications along with our connectivity to small businesses for 1/10 the cost, that is starting at only rupees 1,500 per month. Now all small businesses will have access to unlimited enterprise-grade voice and data services, video conferencing, security solutions, marketing and sales solutions, and all the Microsoft productivity tools. That will help them run their businesses efficiently and at par with larger enterprises. The medium and larger businesses spend even higher, between 3 and 5 lakhs per month, for which we have custom designed plans with similar value benefits. With this step, I am certain that the 2 to 5 million micro, small, and medium enterprises will propel towards prosperity and march towards creating a new digital India. Friends, we are at what I call the end of the beginning of the Jio story. We have built a robust connectivity business, our first pillar, with multiple growth engines that provide significant upsides. And our second pillar, digital platform, is Jio's contribution to transform India into an artificial intelligence-first economy across all sectors and all walks of life. It is my passion and conviction that the new India will lead and not follow the advanced nations of the world in adopting, even creating disruptive technologies that will decide the winners and the losers of the fourth industrial revolution.
इन खबर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।